So, hello again. So, we will answer again this flip cards and see if how many scores we will get. So, first question is, what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So, what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So, first is requires close collaboration and difficult to predict cost and time. Yeah. Compare the TPs of the waterfall and agile model. So in the waterfall, done after development is complete, while in the agile, continues throughout development. This is the blank is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints called agile model. What are the key agile methodologies? Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. The blank and blank models are two distinct approaches to software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. Agile and waterfall. An agile is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. It uses a visual board to track progress and workflow. Kanban. Prioritize high-quality coding and frequent testing. Extreme programming. Each phase is well-defined, making it easier to manage and document clear structure. What is the strength of the waterfall model? So what are the strength of the waterfall model? So clear structure, predictability, and good for large projects. Flexibility. Compare the time to market of the waterfall and agile model. So in the waterfall, it is longer, while in the agile, it is faster. What are the typical pace of the waterfall? What are the typical pace of deployment, maintenance, requirement analysis? Yeah. This is the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. So waterfall model. What are the weaknesses of the waterfall? Flexibility, slow adaptation to to changes, and late testing. So what are the strengths of the waterfall? Clear structure, predictability, and good for large projects. Yes. So let's count how many scores. So we have only one mistake, so we get 14 scores. That's all. Thank you.